Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So we have been receiving a couple of requests on how to automate your daily tasks. Let's deep dive into this video. So imagine like you are getting hourly mails like this mail. So you can see that this mail was received around 11:52, and after that I got another mail at 11:56. So the scenario here is every time whenever you receive a new email from your from some automated systems or somewhere, what you are supposed to do is your task is you have to download this attachment, then open it and copy paste it to this sheet here. And from there, your boss or supervisor, whoever, they'll be plotting a pivot and they'll be seeing the numbers. So our task here is to automate this process. How can we automate this process? Okay, let me try to explain this a little more further. So what's happening here is every time whenever I receive a new email, I'll just go my task, which is assigned by manager maybe, is to download this attachment every time and open it, and this is the data which I'm getting. So I'll have to copy paste the data here to this sheet. So imagine this is not here, like this is the first time I'm doing and this data is not present here. I'm just going to delete this and the pivot is empty. There is no data here. So as soon as my task is to paste the data here, like check emails every 1 hour and come back and paste the data here. So let me paste it here. As soon as I paste it here, the pivot is populated. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to automate this process, and using a Python script we can easily do this. So this is script which I'll leave a description down in the comment section. So what this is doing is from this email ID, this is searching for the subject line. So we can see that this is the subject line, hourly sales report. So this will try to see the latest email whenever an email comes, which will search for the latest email. So what we can do is we can set a trigger here. So what this trigger will do is it will keep on running this script. Like maybe we can set intervals like 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever is the interval which we are setting. The script will automatically run. So every time when the script is running, what will happen is it will go to your mailbox. It will scan for an email which is having a subject line of this is a subject line, and it will go to the latest email, not this one. It will come back to the last email and it will download this attachment and it will paste it here in the auto fetch sheet. This field it will automatically populate here, and from here this pivot is coming. So that's what is happening here. So the only thing which you need to do is you will have to get the script and you have to make a few changes here. You can see this is the page ID of this particular Google Sheet. So page ID, this is the page ID. You just need to replace page ID in the three fields here, 1, 2, 3. In row number 10, row number 18, and row number 19. You just need to change it here, and you should have a page called auto fetch. You can personalize, you can customize this, you can rename it to row data or whatever according to your taste. You can do that, and the same sheet name should be mentioned here. And this is the first sheet, and second sheet is pivot. um yeah, pivot. So I have set a timer here. So what's happening here is whenever the script is getting, whenever I run the script, it will fetch, if it will fetch that particular time, it will say that last updated time was this. So uh, so that's it. All your tasks is getting automated. Like you don't have to go to your email every 1 hour. You don't have to download the attachment. It will auto populate in the auto fetch sheet. From there, you can plot the pivot and you can do whatever you can do. You can have a VLOOKUP or whatever you can do that. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.